Justin Hill has renewed his contract with Team Tedder for the 2025 season, with the PR post going as follows. Team Tedder is excited to announce the return of Supercross superstar Justin Hill to the roster for the 2025 Monster Energy Supercross season. The talented rider, known for his 2017 Supercross championship and his 2023 450 podium in Utah, remarkable skill and determination, will be competing aboard the team's premier Monster Energy KTM bike, bringing both experience and electrifying presence to the 2025 season. Now, the quote from Justin Hill says this: "I'm thrilled to be returning to Team Tedder for the 2025 season. I've always admired their dedication and passion for the sport, and I'm excited to be part of the team for the upcoming 2025 season. We have big goals ahead, and I can't wait for Anaheim. I'm looking forward to the season of working with the team and bringing out the very best every round." Now, I'm going to say this. I like Justin Hill. You know, but I would not exactly call him a superstar at this point. Maybe in 2017 when he was, winning a Supercross title, but right now he's more of just a. It seems to me he's good enough to keep getting a bike. People want to keep giving him rides, and he does some cool things. He's a fast, talented guy, but uh, maybe that's my opinion, but Matt Tedder, the team owner, said, quote, "Justin is a phenomenal rider and a perfect fit for our team. His experience, work ethic, attitude, and family-centered outlook on life makes him the perfect fit for our team. We're all excited to see what he can accomplish in the 2025 Monster Energy Supercross season." And that's what I'm going to ask you guys. Where do you think he falls? Is this just like I said, somebody can keep giving him a ride, so he's going to keep taking it, and he is talented enough to be sort of competitive, or do you think he's going to do well? Do you think he's going to do bad? Should it be time to pack it up and just do some fun YouTube free riding stuff? Who knows? That's why I'm asking you guys. Comment down below. Tell me what you think. While you're down there, make sure to like, share, subscribe, do all the fun things this platform allows you to do, because I appreciate it and it really just helped me out. And with that, I will see y'all later. Peace.